Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a lovely Skoda Fabia estate. Now this one is finished in candy white, and the Skoda Fabia estate has one of the largest boots for the size of the car, I think, on the market. Now when you look at the back, it has a lovely low entrance, so if you're a dog carrier or you like walking and you need somewhere to perch while you're changing boots and things, or a golfer, any of those sort of activities, it has an enormous boot for the size of the car. Now this one is a Monte Carlo specification, so this is powered with the 1 litre turbo engine, which is a 95 horsepower engine, 95 PS, and has these lovely gloss black wheels, and inside you have this unique Monte Carlo seating. So it's red and black. There's small leather parts on the outside of the seats, and I think it just suits the car, makes it stand out. A lot of cars are just very boring nowadays, whereas this actually looks like it's got a little bit of spirit, a little bit of fight about it. And this particular car has only covered 31,700 miles, so it's a very, very low mileage car, coming up almost 5.5 years old. There you go, that shows the boot. Still with a split folding seat, so you've got plenty of versatility if you do need to carry something even bigger. But no, these are wonderful. The back seats fold down. You still have the usual fitments of the Isofix, so for child car seats and things, you know, you can click those in and they are locked in position. And then when we go up into the driver's seat, you've got this lovely leather steering wheel with a squared off base, and you have the adjusters for cruise control and the display behind the steering wheel. You have climate control, and then in here with the radio system, it's touchscreen, and that incorporates DAB and also the ability to connect your mobile phone into the car with Bluetooth streaming. It also allows you to verify and adjust various different features in here as well, and you can see that you have rear parking sensors, and you can also go through, even change the tone of the sensors if you'd like to, so lots of versatility. Now the car has cruise control as well, and like you say, 31,700 miles. That's all this car's covered. Now this has been serviced very well with Skoda. It's had plenty of its service history done with it. The last time was actually at 30,000 miles, 27,000 miles ago, serviced with Skoda. And say it's in lovely order, so if you think it could be the car for you, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.